and welcome back. Today we're going to be installing these clip-ins from Better Length Hair. I bought the kinky straight texture in 20 inches. We're also going to be dyeing these jet black using the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist. Look at that texture. Oh, absolutely gorgeous.
I'll run up the racks like an athlete. Big fat, you're the dick, 6 flags, ballin' like dick. Told her I love her, I ain't really mean that, yeah. Now they just people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cough. I got 4 hoes that went top.
So I wanted to try the watercolor method today. That's why the bucket's in the back. It has warm water in it. I'm just gonna add the developer to the cream, shake that up, let that get nice, rich and dark, and then add it to the water and let that process for about half an hour.
I'll be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. Seconds a couple of days.
There you go, black and perfect. So we're gonna add this to the water and let that process for an hour. Let's take a better look. Alright, see that licorice? We're gonna start adding the bundles to the water now. Guys, don't be like me. Add the whole bundle in. I don't know why I was doing it one by one. Absolute waste of time. It's been an hour. I'm just adding shampoo to the water. Again, this is unnecessary. It's much easier to do it in the sink or in a shower. Unnecessary. But once I've shampooed and deep conditioned the hair, I'll rinse and then let that air dry. Guys, if you're enjoying this content, then subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. It really does help my channel. Thanks, guys. I'm going to use the Living Proof Protecting Spray to further detangle and then blow dry the hair.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my phone?
I love the way this smells.
Yeah, she give me that maybe as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on Bob, Bambi, baby's yellow.
Just showing you my braid pattern here. It's haphazard, but we move.
Facts, you're the dick, 6 flags, ballin' like.
Okay, we're gonna start installing our clip-ins. I'm gonna start by using the 4s, then the 3s, and then the 2s until I get to my leave out.
I got 4 hoes that went top. I remember.
Just want to say this isn't a tutorial. This turned out so bad.
Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to give me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed lighter, like the gay blah blah. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, no tomahawk. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. Seconds a couple of days, yeah. Lost the lock to the fan. That's the shit got me upset. But at 8, then I finally lift doggy, I'm smoking with side. 4-4, I'm a zombie. This a girl, but she want. These little boys think I'm cocky. My bitch feel like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, feel like an ice. Smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. My bitch drip like Mary Poppins. Yo, bitch, feel like an ice. Smoking on killer, I eat a coffee. Now they just people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cough. I got 4 hoes that went top. I remember.
I might have to move this shit, you know. I'm fed up. I don't know. I'm fed up. So this is what it looks like, but you can see like the separation. So I don't know. I want to try some wax.
I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on Bob, Bambi, baby's yellow, taxi. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags.
Nope.
Really mean that, yeah. Now they just people like friends. Remember way back she was love. These bitches sneaky can't cough. I got 4 hoes that went top. I remember. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to give me some chip. Surfing, rock in the parking lot, my weed lighter, like the gay blah blah. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, no tomahawk. remember smoking blunts with my friends. Seconds a couple a day, yeah, life's a lot to defend. That's that shit got me upset, but at 8, then I finally start getting funk on my side. 4-4, I'm a zombie.
So, we have come to the end of the road. Oh my god. Listen, this is as much as I can do. I'm gonna be honest. I can't. This is all I can do, and it's not blending. I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you can see the epic fail that is Harry. Okay, here we are. Nice and close. You can see it. Okay. And from the side, I just don't know, like, how these, not even combing the damn thing. How these YouTubers make it look so good.
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, bro. Yeah, she give me that claim.
To me, honestly, it just feels like I failed. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I just feel, just because my hair obviously isn't long enough, and then my ends are just too frizzy. I do, however, feel like it's a cute style. Like, if it had worked out the way I wanted it to work out, the way I saw it in my head, then I think like this would have been really nice, especially for the summer. But yes, this is the end result. Tell me what you think.
Step up, step up, step up, step up, step up, step up, step up.
Tell me what I could have done better. If you see the mistakes, and also like, how do I get the ends of my hair straight? Because I've cut them, I've taken the hair out, I've deep conditioned, I've straightened it again, but then the ends just get really frizzy, and I just don't know, and I don't want to have to keep cutting it back, because honestly it didn't make a difference. So if you can give me some tips on what to do there, I would be hella grateful, because this is stress me. So if you like the content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you soon with the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.